Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to remove background in Photoshop. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open Photoshop and click on left corner File and New, or open your project and click on New and select your settings and click on Create. Alright, create project and remove background. Alright, and click on left menu quick selection tool and click on right corner and click on quick selection tool. Alright, and zoom in and click on selection and press and drag selection and zoom in selection. Alright, and fix you have to fix, and click on and press Option or Alt and click this. Alright, nice, and zoom out and selection continue. Zoom in, fix it, this and this. Okay, nice. Alright, and this, and click on this, change size and press Option or Alt and click. Alright, nice, and select this, okay, and this. Okay, fix it, press Option or Alt and fix. Alright, так, full check and nice. Alright, zoom out and click right corner selection object and click on Father and the right radius and 3 pixels and click on OK. Alright, and press Command plus G or Control plus G. OK, and hide, and that's all. Background remove.